Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you 6 ways to protect your battery health on Xiaomi 15T. So the first option is in settings, then battery, and current mode, select battery saver or even ultra battery saver. Then we have battery checkups, and here you can do everything on that list. Then battery protection, here you can check all the battery infos, for example battery health, cycles, manufacture date, first use etc. And charging protection, enable the battery protection. Then here we have all the apps that uses the most battery, so just consider using it less. Remember to clean your background apps and don't use your phone when it is charging, and especially don't charge it in a case. So if you have a case like me, just take it off for the charging. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.